Procedure. Procedure means the method of doing a particular job. Logo allows us to save a group of logo primitives together called procedure by giving it a name to perform a specific job. Once a set of commands is saved as a procedure, we do not need to type those commands again and again. We just execute the procedure when required. It is wise to give a meaningful name to the procedure so that we know what task it is going to perform. A procedure is a named set of instructions given in a particular order to perform a desired task. Parts of a procedure. A logo procedure is divided into 3 parts. Title. It is the name of the procedure. The title line begins with the word to followed by the name of the procedure. For example, to square. The word to marks the beginning of the procedure. Body. Set of commands in a particular order. End. The word end marks the end of a procedure. Naming a procedure. To name a procedure, the following rules are to be followed. The name can have alphabet, numbers, and some other symbols. No blanks are allowed in the procedure name. Arithmetic operators like plus, minus, divide, and multiply cannot be used in the procedure name. Logo primitives cannot be used as a procedure name. Tip. The name should be suggestive of what the procedure is going to perform. For example, pentagon can be name of the procedure that draws a pentagon. As the name suggests, this procedure draws a square. The same procedure can be written in the following way also. To square. FD100, RT90. FD100, RT90. FD100, RT90, FD100. End. Writing a procedure. There are 2 ways of writing a procedure in Logo. Using the to mode in the input box. Using editor window. Using the input box. Click in the input box. Type in to followed by the name of the procedure, example, to square. Press enter key. The to mode input box appears. Enter the commands one by one, pressing the enter key after each command. Type end to end the procedure and press enter. A message appears in the recall list box. Square defined. Caution. Take the printouts if it is really very necessary. When you print on paper, you harm the environment indirectly as trees are cut down for making paper. Using editor window. The editor window is used to write new procedures as well as to edit an existing procedure. In the input box, type edit followed by the procedure name and press enter. For example, edit triangle. The editor window appears. Insert the body of the procedure between the title line and the end line. In this example type, repeat 3 FD100 RT 360 by 3. From the File menu, select Save and Exit option to save the procedure and close the editor window. If you try to exit without saving, a dialog box appears asking for saving the changes to workspace. Click Yes. Executing a procedure. Simply writing the procedure will not draw anything. To run the procedure, type the name of the procedure in the input box. Press Enter key. The figure will be drawn on the logo screen. For example, square. Enter will draw a square. Triangle. Enter will draw a triangle. Advantages of procedures. The main advantage of procedures is that once you have defined a procedure, you can execute it as many times as you want. Simply type its name and the turtle will execute all the primitives in the set of commands and creates the image. You should always check the position of the turtle before using any procedure. Using procedure within repeat command. When a procedure is defined, it can be used inside the repeat command in the same way as you use other commands. We have already defined a procedure to draw a square. Let us see how this procedure makes it easier to draw patterns. Type the following command in the input box and press Enter key. Repeat 4 FD 40 square. A beautiful pattern is drawn. Try another command. Repeat 8 RT30 square. The output is even more beautiful. Using a single procedure, we have reduced the number of primitives that we required to complete the image. Editing or making changes in a procedure. You can make changes in the set of commands you have stored in a procedure. Sometimes you may need to do corrections. If you have typed something wrong or forgot to give space in between two words, we can do corrections or make changes editing by using editor window. Making more procedures. You may make many more procedures. One after another, they will appear in the editor window. Make a new procedure named octagon. Type edit octagon. The editor window will appear on the monitor screen. Type the set of commands between the title line and the end line. Go to File menu, select Save and Exit. Now you may try typing octagon in the input box and see. It draws an octagon. In this way, you may create several procedures. The logo turtle keeps adding them in editor's window. It remembers all of them until you come out of MSW logo. Saving procedures permanently. Decide an appropriate name, such as polygons, in which you can store all the procedures to draw regular polygons. Click on File menu and select Save As option. A new window appears asking for file name. Type the file name you already decided with .lgo extension and click OK button, or type save polygons.lgo and press Enter key. MSW logo saves your procedures permanently in a file which can be loaded in the memory in the next logo session whenever required. Loading saved procedures. First method, type load polygons.lgo, press Enter key. Second method, click on the File menu and select the Load option. Select the file you want to open and press Enter key. Deleting procedure. When you save and exit from the editor's window, the procedure is saved in the workspace of logo. That means the temporary memory of MSW logo. You can erase any procedure from this memory by typing erase followed by the procedure name and press Enter key. For example, erase octagon and press Enter key. You can also erase all the saved procedures at once. Type erase all or ERALL and press Enter key. Remember, the procedures saved permanently in the file don't get erased. You have thus learned many new concepts of a computer language logo. Now, you can use multiple procedures to make beautiful patterns and drawings quickly and easily.